Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would like to write a program that prints the multiplication table for a given number. So my given number in this example is 5, and I'm looping over variable I ranging from 1 to 11. So it loops through numbers 1 to 10. And in each iteration, I'm printing out number multiplied by I equals number multiplied by I. So when I run this code, you see in the output, we are looping through 1 to 10. So we are looping from 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5 until 10. And my given number is 5. So we are having a multiplication table, of number 5 here. As you see, 5 times 1. So number times I, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, etc. equals, and the output is number times I that is being printed out here. So 5 times 1, it's 5, 5 times 2, it's 10, 5 times 3, it's 15. But how it is happening? So we know that number equals 5, okay? It's a fixed number because we are not changing number. It's just a number that we set to be 5, and we can change it for another example if we want. But I is changing from 1 to 10. So when I equals 10, y equals 1, we are having 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay. Then we are having I equals 2, 5 times 2 equals 10. Then I is incremented to 3, so 5 times 3, it's 15. Then I equals 4, so 5 times 4 equals 20. I equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. I equals 6. We are having 5 times 6 equals 30. We are having I equals 7. So 5 times 7 equals 35. I equals 8. 5 times 8 equals 40. I equals 9. So 5 times 9 equals 45. And finally, the last value for I is 10. So 5 times 10 equals 50. This is how this loop is being executed. So I starts from 1 and it ends at 10. So we started from 1 and it ends at 10. And in each iteration, the number equals 5, this variable number. Okay, it is a fixed value 5, so 5 is fixed, but I is changing and it is looping through 1 to 10, and the output is being printed out here using this formula, number times I. So this is basically is how we are printing out the multiplication table for number 5. So if I have the number to be 6 here, so when I run the code, I have the multiplication table for number 6. This is a fixed number. We can change it as we wish. Thank you for watching.